Hello, my name is Matt Walters, the Quick Draw Product Manager at SurePoint Ag Systems. Today, I want to walk you through what a Quick Draw is and how it works. To start off with, let's take a look at our mixing and loading trailer, our spray tender trailer. So we'll start with the Quick Draw. The Quick Draw itself is this gray cabinet. That's the technology that fully automates the mixing and loading process of batches, either going directly into the sprayer or into a tender tank or a tender truck. As we look at what the components of a mixing system are, we have the Quick Draw, but then we also have other items that go around it, accessories, we will refer to those as, that make a complete mixing system. So we have two devices right here. This first one is our 20-gallon Kimblade eductor tank. It does have the Kimblade knife inside of it for cutting and splitting jugs. And then next to it, we have our Kim Caddy. Kim Caddy is used for making those measurements of less than a full jug increment, and you can see we have our graduated measurement right there so that we can very quickly, very accurately, and very safely measure those partial jug amounts into the batch. Both of these devices, our Kimblade eductor 20-gallon tank and our Kim Caddy, are both on parallel linkage arms that allow them to swing up for transport and then very quickly lower down so that the operator never has to get onto the tender trailer in order to mix a batch. Additionally, if we look to the back of our trailer, we have our 3-inch transfer pump. We mounted it back there. That was the space that we had available on this trailer. You're going to have a pump in order to push the water or fertilizer, if you happen to be mixing with fertilizer, into the Quick Draw. If we come back to our Quick Draw, we'll start right here with these red indicator valves. These are our product valves. So from these connections, we have hoses that are going to our bulk chemical totes. This, as you can see, is a 6-product model. Quick Draw is available in 4-product, 6, or we also make a 9-product version as well. Again, that's the number of chemical totes that we can connect to the system for automated measurement. If we swing back around here to the back side just a little bit, you're going to see some additional connections. The bottom is our 3-inch, that's inlet from our pump. The next two are labeled eductor supply and eductor suction. So that is what we're supplying water out to our eductor or our Kim Caddy, and then suction is what sucks that back into the system in order to introduce it to the batch. And then the topmost port is our product hose rinse port that we can utilize to rinse the hoses that are going to the totes when we're ready to change out a product on our trailer. If we transition over to the other side of our Quick Draw, this is the discharge side. And so right here, we have our discharge coming out of the Quick Draw. In this particular example, you can see that dropping through the deck of the trailer floor and then coming up over, and then we are utilizing a 3-inch hose reel on this particular trailer. That's one option. You can have a hose that's coming directly from this port directly to the sprayer as well. This is going to be the discharge side of the trailer. This valve that we see here that is teed off, that is for a feature called carrier refill, where we can utilize Quick Draw and our pump in order to pull water from a ground source tank and put it into the tank on our trailer. When we're mixing batches, this will be in the off position. If we want to use carrier refill and direct that solution that's coming through the Quick Draw back to the tank on our trailer, we would open this valve right here.